Welcome. If you want to set your favorite picture or photo on the keyboard theme on LG K52, at the first you have to go for the settings, next scroll down, click on the system, select language and keyboard, tap on the manage keyboards and move to the Gboard. Right now we have to tap on the theme and right now click here. So right now we move to the gallery when we are able to pick up the picture that we want to set on our theme, so I will go for this one. Right now we are able to scale the picture by making this gesture. I will go for this part of the screen, click next. Here we can set up the transparency, current brightness, click done. And we can also turn off key borders to see our picture more clearly and then tap apply. And right now you can enjoy your new keyboard theme. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!